Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 4. Its title is Our Flag. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to express opinion. Before this in English for grade 2, I have taught you how to express your joy. So we know how to express ourselves. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to locate specific information in a class timetable, subject and period by reading across and down. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express opinions, and read tables and charts in the classroom. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yasin, verse 40. It is not allowed, that is possible, for the sun to reach the moon, nor does the night overtake the day, but each in an orbit is swimming. Yes, my dear children, what beautiful verse tells us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us that the sun, which we find on the sky in morning, in daytime, and the moon, which is there at night. Have you ever thought, where does moon go in the morning? So Allah has given them their orbit, okay, in which they are swimming. So no one can change it. This is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala creation, and Allah have set them in a pattern that they are following. So my dear children, this is the fact. Nobody can change it. So such type of things which we get through knowledge and we cannot change it, that is called fact. But about these facts or about general, we can have our own opinion. For example, one says, I find it hot in day today, or others say, maybe I'm not feeling hot. So this is when you express yourself about something, that is opinion. But one thing which is fixed, we cannot change that, that is fact, right? Now, first you tell me, what is an opinion? What do you think? What is an opinion? And how many English lessons do you have in a week? So to find English lessons in a week, I would suggest you check your class timetable and also tell to your teacher what is an opinion. Pause the video, answer these 2 questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, an opinion is a view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge, right? So an opinion is basically a point of view of a person. How do I feel? How do I find? What I think about something? That is opinion, right? For example, this statement comes in front of you. Apple is a fruit. Now, is it a fact or opinion? This is not someone's feeling. This is something which is true, so it's a fact. And cats are the best pet. Is it fact or opinion? Yes, it's an opinion. Why? Because someone else can say, no, parrots are the best pet, or everyone. So opinion is something which varies from person to person, and even one can have different opinion about the same thing at different time. Okay, for example, today if one says, for example, cats are the best pet, and after a bad experience, the same person after a few weeks or few years may say, no, cats are not the best pet. So such type of things which can change and which varies from one person to another are opinion. Are you clear? So today we'll talk further about opinion. First, there is another statement. Coffee is delicious. So, is it a fact or opinion? Yes, it's an opinion because other can say, mostly children, they don't like coffee. And other can say, milkshake is delicious. I like ice cream. So this is what, which varies from person to person is opinion, right? The sun is hot. Yes, nobody can deny it. This is fact. So today, our focus will be about opinion. How do you feel about something when you express that is opinion, right? And here you see in your book, this is a boy and he's saying, Sawat is a good place for vacations. This is his opinion, okay? The other is saying, I think Murray is more suitable for vacations. Okay, she likes Murray more. Okay, this is her own choice. And he's saying, I guess Karachi is a place that we should visit. We can also see the beach there. You see, about one thing, three children have different opinion. So this is how we, and better when we are in conversation, if there is a difference of opinion, we should accept each other, okay? We shouldn't say, why you are saying this? It's not like that. Because opinion is something which everyone feels like, right? And the next thing which we are going to learn is about your timetable today. So how do you read a timetable? Here are days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And here are times for your lesson, your period. Here we have divided, like when you come in school, from your starting till the time you are in school, every minute is divided accordingly, right? So if I ask you on Monday when you are going to have your English class, so you will start. Here is Monday. So down this Monday, all the subjects which you are going to study on Monday are given here, right? And here is your English, which starts at 11:50 and it will end by 1:10, right? So this slot is telling you, all right, this is how when you go down the timetable, it is giving you the specific day detail. On Monday, this is the how you are going to take your lessons, right? And when you are going across, it is telling you the first lesson on Monday is maths, and the first lesson on Tuesday is English, on Wednesday is health education, on Thursday is art, on Friday is science. This is how across we read for first lesson and down we read for every day's detail. Okay, I hope you have seen your class timetable and I would suggest you should read it. And today we are going to merge this. One thing I told you what is opinion, second I told you what is timetable. So let's practice it through an activity. All right, are you ready for that? This beautiful activity has been divided in two segments. In round one, teacher will divide class in 5 groups. Teacher will assign one chart, like the charts which are there in your class, one chart to each group from the displayed chart in the class. Every student will express one opinion about, that can be about the text of the chart, picture, title, or information, whatever you want to talk about. You can express one opinion for the assigned chart, okay? After this, these questions are there in your book. You will answer these questions, and every student will express one opinion about class timetable. How will you do it? For example, I say, I'm one of the students, say, I think our break should be, instead of 30 minutes, it should be of 40 minutes. This is just my opinion. And the other students say, instead of having 6 English lessons per week, we should have 8. So these are the how I think. And for both round, how you will express yourself, I think that. But we cannot force our opinion. It should be like that. No. The right expression is I think. It's my opinion. Okay. As for me, I think, I believe that, in my opinion, in my view, it is my understanding that this is how we express ourselves. Are you clear? Okay, so I explained both the activities to you. Pause the video, enjoy these beautiful activities, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you expressed yourself very nicely, and teachers, the opinion which students shared can be considered as suggestions as well. Okay. All right. So here is time for your homework. You will write 5 opinions in your notebook and read another class timetable. That can be a timetable for your brother or your sister or any of your cousin or your friend. You should read another class timetable. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, here is a timetable. You will read it carefully and you will answer these questions after reading the timetable. So what we have learned today, we learned that an opinion is a view or judgment formed after something not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. We learned to read chart and class timetable, and we expressed our opinion about our class timetable. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to locate specific information in a class timetable, subject and period by reading across and down, use appropriate expression in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express opinions, and read tables and charts in classroom. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.